What is up, beautiful people? It's your girl Luxe, and we are back for another video. So a couple of days ago I asked on my Instagram if you guys wanted to see a review for this new deep conditioner I got, and I got a pretty high response, so that's what we're doing today. Before we get into it, I need you guys to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you guys know every time that I post, and you don't want to miss that. So today I'm going to be doing this kind of off the camera. I'm going to do shampoo and conditioner with the As I Am Long and Luxe Strengthening Shampoo and Conditioner. So you guys see that? Oh, can you see? Let's do it one at a time. Yeah. And then the conditioner. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, y'all get the point. And then the most important part about today's video is the conditioner. LOL. So it's the Camille Rose Algae Renew Deep Conditioner Mask in a scent cocoa and mango butter. Just so you guys see that. Focus. There we go. Ooh, don't look at my nails. Quarantine is really getting to me, guys. Like, alright. But the price point for this deep conditioner is $20. I got it at my local beauty supply store, and I'm sure they have it online. The price is the same. I'm going to let you know if it's worth it, if I like it, how it does with my hair. And I have a couple of errands to run today, so I'm going to shampoo, conditioner, put it in my hair, and then go do that, and then come back and wash it out. This is a conditioner that they say that you can leave in your hair for a couple of hours, so that's why I'm using this. I definitely need a lot of moisture, and yeah, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we are back. Hair is washed. Got my towel. And we're gonna get into it. So let's open it. This smells really good. It's giving me like vanilla bean frappuccino from Starbucks. LOL. I love it. So I'm gonna start from the back, and I already detangled my hair just because like this is a super thick product, so I don't really want to be like detangling with it. And I'm gonna be using my Tangle Teaser to make sure that I get every single strand coated in this like conditioner. So I have my hair split in two, and then once I do that, I'm going to split it in two again, just so I'm working in smaller sections. This smells really good. It seems like it's going to be like really hydrating, honestly. I'm going to spray my hair a little bit. And then we're just going to rake this product all the way through. And then I'm going to speed up some of this video just because, like, why y'all watching in slow motion? I really like how this goes on though. Like, it's so smooth. Oh, and one last thing, make sure to really like get some of the product on your roots, because who does not want strong roots, you know? So. Guys, my mom is calling me. I'm like running late. Hold on. Hello.
Are you up?
Yeah.
Alright, I should be there in the next 10 minutes.
No. 10 minutes. I have 15 minutes.
Huh?
I have 15 minutes left on my clock.
Well, I'll be there, and then I'm going to change my clothes and we're leaving.
Okay.
Should I put gas in the car? I'm almost at half.
Yeah, just go put gas in the car.
I'll put gas, and then I'm on my way.
Okay. Guys, she'd be rushing me. And I'm trying to be on time. Technically, we're finished, guys. So, it's all good. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it in a really tight bun. Normally I would like braid it down, but we don't have time for all that, okay? So we're just gonna put it in a bun and be on our merry way. And then once I come back from my errands, I'm gonna wash it out and I'm gonna tell you guys like how it all came out. So be right back. Alright guys, I am back from running all my errands. You see I did my hair in like a little bun. I didn't put any other products in it except for the deep conditioner, and I'm going to like dry it a little bit, so I'm gonna wet it and then I'm gonna put a little bit more of the deep conditioner in, and then I'm gonna go sit under my steamer just so the product can be able to like penetrate inside of the hair. And then once I do that, I'm gonna wash it out and then I'll tell you guys how I like it. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we are out of the shower. I'm just gonna show you one of the sections that after the deep conditioner, y'all, it was fire. Like, do you see that definition? Wow. And it smells really good. Definitely moisturizes the hair, and I had like little to no hair come out. Like, there was no shedding from that deep conditioner. I like loved it so much. That might be like a staple I put in my wash day routine like after today, because like it did what it had to do. My hair feels super clean, super moisturized, and I think this is gonna be good. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do for the rest of my wash day. I'm gonna speed it up because it's the same thing. I'm going to be using the Xtreme Wet Line Styling Gel. Can y'all see that? I wonder. Okay, yeah. This is going to be the first time I'm using the blue one. I started using this a while ago and it used to like make my hair flake, so I'm going to try this one. They say it's a new formula, and then I'm going to be combining it with my Mielle Pomegranate Honey Coiling Sculpting Custard. There you go. And then I'm going to use this as my leave-in. I normally do my leave-in in the shower, but because I wanted you guys to see how it looked right after I washed out the deep conditioner, I did it after. I'm going to be using the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil. There we go. For leave-in, and then I'm gonna get my spray bottle with hot water just in case like any other section gets dry, and then that's it. So I'll come back with my final look. Everything litty, I like when it's hot. be fire. Look at that, guys. Ooh, definition is crazy. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go in with my Mielle curling custard and then go in with my wet line, making sure to spray my hair before I do that. I know you guys saw like me do it in the beginning, but my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna charge it and then I'll come back with the final product to show you guys how it turned out. I'm gonna probably do the last section on screen just so you guys can see one more time like how I did it, and I'm gonna like wrap up my final thoughts about my about the deep conditioner to say like how I felt about it and like how I feel about these product combos. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. Alright, we are back. We have one piece left. Like I told you guys, I was gonna wait for y'all so I can do it. Honestly, this took no time to do, which is pretty crazy because my wash day routines usually take forever. I guess it's because I split it up and I did my shampoo and conditioner this morning, and then I really only had to do my deep conditioner and styling. So I think I'm gonna start doing that more often because wash day is such a chore. I love doing my hair, but like it takes forever. Put just a little bit more wet line on the top of my hair just because like I hate it getting too frizzy, and then these front pieces, just break that through. I want to show you guys like the definition of this. Like, this is super crazy. I love this already. I'm going to show you guys the final look. I'm going to let it air dry a little bit and then I'm going to diffuse and pick it out. It should come out pretty good. It looks cute. So this is the final look. It's a little bit crunchy, but I still like it. I kind of like my wash and goes to be crunchy because on like day 2, day 3, it starts to soften up and it looks really cute and definitely lasts longer. So look how defined it is. Definitely like that. I think this came out really well. But the real point of this video is to talk about my review for the deep conditioner. I loved it. I think it did wonders to my hair. I'm definitely going to be like revisiting it. I think you guys should definitely try it out. I forgot to tell you the price point. It is $20, but maybe I did tell you, but whatever. Just a reminder, it is $20, and I think it's definitely worth it. If you're going to invest into a deep conditioner, which is going to strengthen your hair and like reduce like shedding and like all of that, I think Camille Rose is a good brand to like try for their products. They use good ingredients, they actually work, and they're good for the hair. So I would like rate this product like a 9 out of 10. The reason why I wouldn't give it a 10 is because I felt like it kind of dried like fast when I was doing my errands. I felt like it was like drying to my hair, so when I came back home I had to re-wet it and then add some more so that it can like soften up in my hair. But overall, great product, would recommend. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.